Hi everyone, this is Uday here. I welcome you all to this course and we are looking at the government schemes. As part of it, now we are looking at the National E-Assessment Scheme. So what is this National E-Assessment Scheme? So what are they going to assess? And they are going to do it electronically. So what is that? So basically we need to understand which department or which area it is related to. Then we can easily identify it, okay? So this is basically related to the IT department. Okay, so it is not the information technology, it is the income tax department. Okay, so IT in the sense it is income tax. So this is related to income tax. Okay, so they are going to do the income tax assessment electronically, that is e-assessment at national level. Okay, so that is what is called national e-assessment. So now you should be knowing that assessment of tax is not an easy process, so it needs a structure, right? So what is the structure here? So the structure here is there will be a national level what is that center and a state level center. Okay, I'm just basically dividing it into national and state. Okay, so at national level there will be a national e-assessment center, so it will be national. Okay, so here it will be the regional. First at state level it will be regional e-assessment center. So this national e-assessment center will be located in Delhi and it will be headed by the Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax, sorry, IT. Okay, IT, income tax, anything. So there will be a national e-assessment center which will be located at Delhi and it will be headed by Principal. I am writing it in short because writing in detail it is going to cover a lot of space, so I'm just avoiding it. So Principal Chief Commissioner of IT is going to head that. So here in the case there will be a regional e-assessment center. So whether the regional e-assessment center is going to be in every city, every state? No, it is going to be in 8 cities, 8 important cities of the country. So when I say 8, it can be simply counted as, I'll tell you the cities. It will be Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Pune, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Okay, so these are the important 8 cities where this regional e-assessment centers will be coming up. Okay, so I'm not writing it because it is going to cover a lot of space. And here who will be heading it? It will be the Chief Commissioner of IT, income tax. Okay, so here it is the Principal Chief Commissioner of IT. Here it will be the Chief Commissioner of IT. Okay, so these are the two important things that you need to know. And there is another important system which is being followed here. So that is the automated allocated system. So what is this system? So basically when someone submits the their income tax online, so this automated allocated system will allocate the files to the appropriate regions or national anyway. Okay, so whatever it is, whichever center or the national level, whichever it is the file is related to, it will be actually allocating it. Okay, based on the need and requirement and also the region to which it falls. Okay, so these are the advantages of it. So as a result there is no human interference. Okay, so that is the biggest advantage, and there is no red tapeism, and there is no how to say human interference, as we have already discussed. And we can also expeditious disposal of cases can be done because it is an online system and it is e-assessment system. there will be no paperwork. So there are a lot of advantages because of this particular e-assessment scheme, which has been launched in 2019. Okay. So the introduction of this particular scheme was done in the 2019 budget. So in the budget speech, the finance minister has made an announcement of this national e-assessment scheme. So that's all from this lesson, guys. So this is a pretty small topic. So thanks for watching. Hope the lesson was useful. If so, please like, share, subscribe, anything. Thank you.